All right, welcome everybody to the advanced guide to scale with Advantage Plus shopping campaigns on Meta Ads in 2024. So to give you context in regards to Advantage Plus, and then we'll see the structure of the video. It's gonna be video 1 out of 2. There's gonna be 2 videos for this series. So I discovered Advantage Plus shopping campaigns when Meta introduced those in Europe in February of 2023 in an event. And then I went to the Madrid headquarters in October of 24, right before Black Friday, when they introduced the beta phase of manual bidding inside of Advantage Plus, and we managed to be inside this beta phase to test manual bidding inside of Advantage Plus, and it was phenomenal. So to give you a little bit of context, specifically in this ad account, I've managed to spend so far 800K since the release of this campaign format, pretty successfully. I mean, the top campaign we did was at a 4x ROAS, spending 220K. So yeah, phenomenal performance, highly recommend it, but you need to know specifically how to use it, right? So in this guide, we're gonna see a basic definition of Advantage Plus shopping campaigns, the updates that Meta has just released for this campaign format. I'll give you a few best practices in my opinion, and then I'll give you the best practices that Meta recommends, and then we will see a scaling strategy and how I use Advantage Plus inside my whole strategy to horizontally scale my winning ad creatives, landing pages, and formats. So let's get straight into it. As a definition, at the end of the day, Advantage Plus campaign, this is a solution by Meta, which is, they call it a product, that has been designed to lower the setup time, so it's pretty fast to set up, increase the efficiency of targeting, I will explain how in a second, and improve the delivery of your ads. So it's just another type of campaign, to keep it simple. Now, when they introduced it, in this event, they were talking about that artificial intelligence, AI all of the time. So the reason Meta delivery is usually machine learning purely. Now with Advantage Plus campaigns, they're trying to mix this machine learning with artificial intelligence for many reasons, but basically to personalize the ad experience a lot more, and also to kind of counter these tracking issues, limitations, privacy stuff. They're trying to do that with AI. So as a definition, these campaigns use AI to figure out your target audience and deliver your ads specifically to the people that are in a purchasing journey of a product like the one you're selling. So if I'm selling sunglasses and I go add to cart in a specific website, then if I run a different brand that's also selling sunglasses with Advantage Plus, I can deliver my ads to the person that has done an add to cart to a different brand. So basically it's like retargeting other people's traffic. So they spend in prospecting, they create an audience of add to carts, and then with Advantage Plus, you're retargeting those people that you don't own necessarily, if you know what I mean. So it's nice because you're going super specifically into targeting people who are in the purchasing journey of that specific product. So the way they call it is combines your customer knowledge with AI to reach the most relevant audience. What is a relevant audience? The audience that's in the middle of a customer journey of a specific product. So yeah, it's nice. As another definition, you basically reach higher intent customers with greater ease and results. So high intent, that's basically Advantage Plus. A couple of updates that are interesting and applicable for everybody when it comes to Advantage Plus. As I mentioned before, you can do manual bidding in Advantage Plus. Well, I mean, you can do, apart from cost cap, which is what I mentioned there, you can also do max value, and you can do max value with target ROAS. I usually only do cost cap. You cannot do bid cap so far, so I don't know if they will roll it out in the future. And the other one is excluding retargeting audiences and checking that ad spend per audience in the breakdown that we'll see in a second. Let's start with manual bidding. So here's an example of campaigns where I've used manual bidding, like cost cap 120, cost cap 50, cost cap 60, 70, depending on the campaign in the season, to successfully scale my Advantage Plus campaigns, like spend 25K at a 3.66, spend 14K at 4.5 ROAS. It works great. It's just part of my scaling strategy horizontally specifically. So, and you see it, summer sales, Black Friday, different times, different seasons, winter sales, we just go with it and it works pretty good. So to set it up, you basically in the campaign level, in this case, conversion, you choose website, maximize number of conversions, choose your pixel, whatever conversion event purchase. In here, you basically set up your cost cap. So for this, you can watch, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to suggest it around here. I'll leave in either here or in the link a video about manual bidding that I uploaded in the past. Check that video out about manual bidding, and then you can come back to this video and end up seeing how I'm using cost caps in these campaigns. But basically, yeah, in here you set a cost per result. It's super easy. Nobody's doing it. I highly recommend you do it with your winning cost caps, and you scale further. The other one is excluding or controlling how much of your Advantage Plus campaign budget is going to retargeting. The issue that we had in the past before they rolled out all this update was we didn't know how much of this budget was going to retargeting. And then you see a ROAS of 10 in this Advantage Plus campaign and you're like, is this real or is this coming from retargeting? You don't know. So they rolled out the capacity to see it like this. So I will explain how in a second. But now you can see this Advantage Plus campaign is giving me, from the new audience, is spending most of the budget. And I spend, I don't know, 2, 3, 4, 5%, I don't remember, on existing customers. And that's what I want for this brand. It's perfect. So that's how we do it. Now, how do you set this up? You want to go to advertising settings. From here, you want to go to audience segments. Then you want to click on, you can exclude also engaged audience. I usually don't exclude it. It's up to you. Depends on how much retargeting you want to do. So existing customers, you want to upload your CSV or dynamic Klaviyo audience, however you have it, but upload your customers in here. And once they are uploaded, just click on confirm. And then from this, you want to set this up when you're creating the campaign under budget. So here's budget, existing customer budget cap. Here is where you're going to limit that, right? So in this case, it's 5%. Depending on your retargeting strategy, you're going to put 5, 10, 15, I don't know. But for me, to clients, I would not deliver more than 5%. I want to keep them in the loop, especially if it's a new campaign. But yeah, no more than 5%. And in here is where you can see then new audience and existing customers. Spending 150 to existing customers, it's completely fine and good for us. And then the majority of the budget is going to new audience. So this is perfect. Now, in terms of best practices, I want to super simplify this. I'm not going to give you like a manual of best practices, super theory stuff. You basically first want to limit the retargeting audiences, especially the ones for the existing customers. You don't want to over deliver your ads to them. It's useless. Then you want to at least use 3 ads per Advantage Plus shopping campaign. These campaigns, like it's AI, so you basically have to give Meta a few options in order to improve the deliverability of those ads, that specific campaign, and get in the customer journey of a lot of people who are interested in purchasing products like yours, reach them with the best possible ad combination. So you don't know if that specific people is going to react better to video, image, or whatever. So at least 3 ads. And then at low scale, I do not put more than 5 ads per Advantage Plus campaign. In the scaling strategy, I will explain why, but I don't usually do it. So the recommendation by Meta is you want to use at least 10 to 20 assets featuring a wide variety of creative approaches. So basically, you want to put product images, lifestyle videos, whatever the thing. So 10 to 20 creatives. I don't put 20 creatives per Advantage Plus. That's my opinion. I think it's wasting creatives, especially if you use it in the middle of your scaling strategy. If you use it for testing or you just want to, I'm going to set up one Advantage Plus, you can put 20. But if it's in the middle of a scaling strategy where you have some rules, I don't do it. And last but not least, in terms of optimization, it's not complicated. Imagine you have the Advantage Plus campaign at 100 euros a day. If all the budget is going to a specific ad out of the 5 ads that you have, all the budget's going to one ad and it's not performing for the last 4 days, it's out of KPIs, turn off the ad and let the budget run into the other 4 ads before you downscale from 100 to 50, okay? So you wanna optimize on the ad level first, and then you wanna optimize on the campaign level in terms of budget. And the scaling strategy, we're gonna cover it in a specific video because I wanna take my solid 10 minutes to talk about scaling, when to use in my strategy Advantage Plus, because it works, but it's not the best. Like personally, I prefer CBOs at this point, but they have their own place. So, and they work well. So how to scale them vertically, if it's different to machine learning CBOs or not, how to scale them horizontally, cost cap, how many ads per Advantage Plus, etc. How to do manual bidding and basically troubleshooting, fixing stuff with Advantage Plus campaigns. So yeah, in the next video, just give me a few days in case you're watching it the day that I upload it, and in case you're watching this in the future, I'll try to leave the video recommended somewhere in here, or you can go to my channel and check it out, where I will explain the whole scaling strategy and where exactly Advantage Plus comes into place. So yeah, thanks for watching, subscribe for the next video, and yeah, I'll see you in part number 2. Let's go.